Graph linear relations practice, sheet A. Instructions say to complete the table of values, verify your work, list the ordered pairs, graph the ordered pairs on the graph. And then we'll answer any other questions that are below there. So we're going to use these values, plug them into the expression, come up with our y values. So again, we'll do that through verifying. So 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, our ordered pairs from there. So we take those from here again. So we've got 0, 0 onto here. What do those make? A diagonal straight line ascending as it goes up. All right, describe the pattern on the graph. So if we're using words, again, starts at 0, 0, creates an ascending straight diagonal line. If we're going to use the movements, so it's 1 movement right, 5 movements up. Okay, and then the next one here, we're going to describe the linear relationship. So we're talking a relationship here. So again, we can do that through the ordered pairs, or we can do that through what our expression turned out to be, which was 5x. Next one, 2n plus 3, and here's the values for it. So we just verify those. Okay, now we can make the ordered pairs out of that again. So 1 and 5. And now we can graph those on here. And 9 and 21, which is right here. Okay, creates a straight line, diagonal, ascending as we go up. Describe the pattern. Straight line starting at 1 and 5. It's going diagonal, ascending, or going upwards. Okay, so that would be this one. We could also say the horizontal movements, which would be 2 to the right, 2 units right, and then how many units up? 2 units right, and then 4 units up. Each time. Describe the linear relation. Again, we could do the ordered pairs, or we could just show the expression. Number 3, 20 subtract n. 20 subtract 0 is 20. Ordered pairs. And now we can plot them. This one doesn't have anything on the side, so I have to make my own there, but we're just going to go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Go by 2s. Okay, so we're 0 and 20. 1 and 19. I went a long ways there, further than I needed to. Okay, describe the pattern. Creates a straight line, decreasing or descending, starting at 0 and 20. We could also say that it moves 1 unit right, 1 unit down. 1 right, 1 down each time. Linear relation, y equals 20 subtract n, or those. There's our expression. Fill this in. So do it through verifying. All right, so then 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 3. Pattern creates a straight describe the pattern on the graph. Creates a straight diagonal line ascending starting at 2 and 3. Describe the linear, we could also say the movements. 1 to the right, 3 up, 1 to the right, 3 up, 1 to the right, 3 up. y equals 3n minus 3. All right, so that's how we graph linear relations.